Howdy, 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 howdy. Sig, howdy. Kona Brewing Company. And Shabbat Shalom. We're on the same team now, hopefully. Lest history repeat itself. We've got the Big Wave, Golden Ale, Catch a Wave. The North Shore of Oahu gets all the attention, as it should. But the waves at Makaha are just as sweet. Our brewers wanted to make a beer that went down easy after a day out on the water. Big Wave is just that beer. It's made for kicking back and telling stories at sunset. And buddy, we're all about that. 4.4 alcohol. This one ain't from Hawaii, from Fort Collins. Kona Brewing. Not bad. It's got just a teensy little taste of funnel cake. Like sugary funnel cake. Never been to the boardwalk? I've been to the boardwalk. New Jersey, Wildwood, Atlantic City, Dover, Delaware, Washington, D.C. Have you ever rode the Beltway? You know, you need to quit drinking beer and start traveling. You ever been to Arizona? You ever seen the Painted Desert? The Grand Canyon? The Meteor Crater? You ever been to Yellowstone? I've never left the country. I've been 2 miles from the Canadian border. Glacier National Park. There's one for you park fans. Giving this one a 5.5. Bear fraud. Type in the comments below where you're from if you can see this. I'm reporting to you from Mississippi. Beautiful state. Not so great laws. Some of the laws are a bit stiff, and I'm working with our great governor, Tate Reeves. I haven't really spoken to him personally, but I've spoke to some of the cabinets. I've sent in a petition for a new Social Security program, and I also talked to them about releasing the regulations on moonshine stills. I said, man, this is Dixie. This is the South. We ought to have a right. I mean, I think we're grown-ups. You know, some of us are. I mean, we have a right to farm dope. We have a right to brew things. What I'm asking for is you're going to have to pay a fee. You're going to have to take a course. You're going to have to pay a fee. And that's it. And they're going to tax it. You sell it yourself. But it's going to have to be run through the state. You know, I don't see anything wrong with, like I said, they'll have to vote on it. But then I got to get it to them. Nobody else wants to deal with the issue. You know, it's really a mind control war. And I told them about that, the invisible enemy. It's not just the COVID-19. It's the stuff, the viruses in your phones. I said, hell, silence falls on deaf ears. You know, I mean, I could say, hey, you know, my phone, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And I'm not all the way sure that it is working right. So, with that said, buy you some of this Kona brew, and I'll see you next time.